Hey there, thank you for tuning into my channel. This is Jessica, also known as Curly Vegan Jess. Today I'll be going over how I made these awesome ricotta vegan stuffed shells. This vegan ricotta is made with 1 package of firm tofu, seasoned generously with 1 tablespoon nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon sea salt, 1 fresh garlic clove, juice of half large lemon, and 1 tablespoon of olive. No need to try and write down the ingredients. I will list them in the comments below. For this recipe, you'll grab 2 jars of marinara. You may not use both of them all of the way. Line your pan with marinara sauce. I seasoned it with a little bit of garlic powder, also Italian seasoning, and a little bit of cracked black pepper. The ricotta cheese that I made previously, I let it sit overnight in the refrigerator so it could thicken. So I'm going to take the ricotta and my slightly boiled large shells, boil them for 9 minutes. I'm going to take the shells and stuff the ricottas one by one. You do want to keep an eye on your pasta and make sure they do not overboil so that they're firm enough to hold the ricotta and not too soft. From here, you just start by taking each shell and stuffing it generously with whatever amount of ricotta you want. So from this one, move on to the next, stuff and place inside the sauce. While making this ricotta stuffed shell recipe for the first time, it was actually pretty simple. The most work went into making the actual ricotta, which was just putting the tofu in the food processor and adding the seasonings. Other than that, it was pretty simple, just stuffing the shells and then put it in the oven and wait. That's what's so great about using this cake spatula, that even though it looks like you only have a little bit left, it allows you to get all the excess of the cheese, so you'll have more to put inside the shells. To add a little extra flavor, once all the shells are stuffed, I go back and sprinkle a little garlic powder on top of each shell, and then also follow it up with some Italian seasoning, as well as some habanero spicy pink Himalayan sea salt. So this is a second jar of marinara sauce I'm going to use. I'm not going to use all of it, just maybe 1 cup. And then I wanted to drizzle a little on top of the ricotta shell so they didn't dry out too much, but I wanted to leave some of the shell still exposed so it wasn't drowned in the sauce. Because remember, I already laid 1 jar of marinara on the bottom of the glass pan. Place the rest back in the jar, put the lid back on, and save the rest for your next meal. The top right picture shows it completed. It was in the oven for 20-25 minutes on 375 degrees. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and click like and share. Thanks for watching.